Hello and welcome to the channel. Those of you that have watched several of my videos may have seen this featured in a Whatnot unboxing video. It was a screwdriver set, heavy duty, with through-tang construction, so you can give the end a good wallop, and it has a nut on the back there so you can assist you turning using a wrench. Now when I got this set, I noticed that there were two PH4 by 200mm in it, and there should have been a 9.5 in the end slot here, but for some reason these two were in it. Now I contacted the Whatnot seller called Screwshop. Customer service was absolutely fantastic, couldn't apologise enough, and he had another set available. So what he did is he took the 9.5 by 200 out of that set and he posted it to me. So there we have it. This is the biggest of a lot, 9.5 by 200 flat screwdriver, through-tang, really good solid quality. I've seen the exact same set, albeit a different colour, from Marksman, a few other different brands, so I'm assuming they're all made in the same factory. They look identical other than, like I said, the colour of the case or the colour of the screwdriver. But yeah, I thought they were actually really good, really well made. That'd make a real good pry bar as well. And shout out to Screwshop on Whatnot, because they did what they promised to do. He found one in another set and he sent it to me, and he didn't even want the other one back. He said don't worry sending it back, it'll only cost more postage, so keep it. So what I'll do with this one is, this will definitely be a giveaway when the channel reaches a size that I can start doing giveaways, which prompts me to tell you to like and subscribe, get the channel far and wide. The more people who subscribe, the more chance I'll be doing giveaways. I've got loads of tools piled up ready to be given away, and this will now go in the pile with those. It's a nice big PH4 by 200mm 20cm screwdriver, through-tang, with a nut on the end there so you can use a wrench on it. But great, thank you for sending that, Screwshop, and give them a follow, watch some of their videos, see how you get on. Maybe you can bid on this kind of set. I have seen him selling sets like this since I bought this one. Yeah, really good, trusted seller. Thanks for watching.